we got to do something that probably you never had before in trading industry. And we dare to say that 99% of the traders never make money in reality, thinking they're going to have a very big profit in reality, which is not true. Traders generally follow two systems. First is discretionary one, which have high risk and high profits, and another one is the systematic approach, which have low profits and low risk. With proper risk to reward ratio and execution with consistency and discipline at your Forex, you're going to have a community where it makes a trader professional by taking a systematic based approach. And we want to say something very clearly that you don't have a false perception of having something very fancy things like having a $1 million in your bank account, or you'll be driving a Lambo while doing trading. But what you will have is a clear insight that's going to lead you understand how the systematic based trading system works. And it's up to you whether to have it or not.